guys, it's Kylie and Aaron, and we're back with another video. Do you still find it hard to complete a group project from start to finish? Worry not, we're here to help. Again, here are some good teamwork practices.
Guys, I think we should do the poster like this.
Maybe we should. Oh yeah, but like I totally think we should do it like this. Wait.
No, how about this? I see this person isn't saying much. Oh, whatever. It's none of my business.
One day later.
Good heavens! The tutor said that Aaron has left our class.
No way! There's only 3 people. That's so much work.
Oh gosh, I should have said something. I see this person isn't saying much. Okay, I'll try to include her into the group discussion. I wonder what ideas she have. Hey, Erin, what do you think about this?
I think we should do this.
Whoa, that's so cool.
You should be inclusive to others and listen to what they have to say, especially in group discussions. Who knows, maybe the quietest person in the room might have some of the best ideas. So always be open and curious towards others, including those who you don't really talk to.
I agree. Including everyone in your discussion is also a sign of respect, which is a core value of Deakin University. Everyone is packing up. We haven't divided roles for the group project. Should I say something? Oh well, no one has said anything yet. It should be fine, right?
2,000 years later.
I thought you guys were doing the body paragraphs? I did the intro too, bro.
But I also did the intro. So did I.
So when did the professor say that this is due? Everyone is packing up. We haven't divided roles for the group project. Should I say something? Guys, I think we should work out who does what before we go home, just so we don't miss out on anything, because I think it would be pretty unfortunate if we all ended up doing the introduction.
Oh, that makes perfect sense. I volunteer to do paragraph number 1. Also, we should write our tasks down so we don't get confused later.
I don't mind doing the graphic design and reading over everyone's work.
Sounds good. I'll just do body paragraph.
Delegating jobs and keeping records is a great way to keep organized and for the group to take accountability for their tasks. You will save time and be able to make sure that everyone is on the same page and contributing to group work. It is important to delegate tasks clearly and fairly so that everyone can get equal workloads.
Okay guys, so we have mid-semester break next week, but don't have too much fun, okay? Don't forget to do the work.
Yes, boss. But should we have a group chat so we can stay in touch? No, thanks. I trust in us to stay on task. That's a bit of a hassle, isn't it?
2,000 years later.
How's progress going, guys?
Oh my days! I forgot the assignment existed.
Oh, I only did half of it. I thought it was due next week. Oh.
Guys, what are we gonna do? It's literally due Friday.
Nah. Let's definitely make a group chat. Like, I trust us, but this is like just in case. So how do we feel about Facebook Messenger?
Fair enough. That's fine by me.
Several days later.
Good gracious. I'm so glad we made that group chat. I almost forgot about the assignment.
Yeah, I nearly forgot it was due today. Thanks for reminding me, guys.
Oh, I'm so glad we finished on time.
Oh, thank God you brought up the group chat last time.
You should maintain communication with your group, especially with longer projects. Group chats are a pretty standard way of doing so. It is easier to track your progress and everyone knows the deadlines, the important tasks, and no one forgets about the assignment.
It's also easier to schedule meetings because everyone is within reach. Importantly, use one social media platform that everyone has to keep things simple. Remember,
By keeping communication, you are being responsible and committed to your group.
We're almost done, but we just need Kevin to put the paragraphs onto the poster. But, oh my god, gets me every time.
Should someone wake her?
It's okay. I think her alarm's about to go off anyway.
Oh, nice. Just in time. 20 minutes left for class discussion. Let's go, guys.
You know what? I've had enough of your shenanigans. You show up to class late, sleep for most of it, and only wake up when class is about to end. We can't get any work done because you're snoring so loud. Honk shoo, honk shoo. Oh my days.
What'd you say, bro? Who do you think you are? You know what? Give me that.
I see that you've been pretty tired for the past few classes. This is pretty recent as well. Are you okay?
I look tired. Was it that obvious? I mean, I've been taking more shifts recently. I gotta pay my rent.
Oh, would you like us to help you with the group work? I think you can also go ask for an extension if that helps.
Thanks, bros. I'll totally do that.
It may be frustrating when a group member doesn't do their part, especially when the assignment is about to be due. But sometimes, a gentle verbal reminder can put them back on the right track.
But sometimes things can be a little more complicated. And you never know what's going on in someone's life. They might have other commitments, such as a sick family member or needing to work to support their family. So it's good to keep an open and non-confrontational mindset.
Being angry at them also does not help with the assignment. You can work together to come up with a fair solution that works for you both. For example, the rest of the group can share in some of their workload, or they could seek support from teaching staff and ask for an extension.
You should also encourage the communication by firmly suggesting them to reach out when they doubt they can do some of their tasks. But sometimes they might not want to communicate with the group.
If so, again, inform the teaching staff about what's going on. They can help you find a solution.